Long ago, tribe fight mammoth all day. Meat mountain bigger than chief's ego. Long ago, Gurucha tribe fight mammoth for whole day. We drag back mountain of meat, bigger than chief's ego. First bite, mouth dance, heart sing. Second bite, still good. 10 bites later, belly grown, smile small. By next sunrise, same old hungry. Extra meat pile no make happy bigger. Now you modern humans, same trap. You chase shiny paper money instead of mammoth steak. New truck, bigger house. Double scoop ice cream credit card debt. First drive in that leather seat. Heartbeat like drum. But few moons later, same traffic jam, same grumpy boss. Wise elder from future, named Richard Easterlin, fancy number shaman. Counted smiles of many tribes called nations. You find big surprise. After tribe reach enough meat, you call it comfy income. Extra gold no grow smiles higher. America get richer for 50 winters, but happiness line flat like mammoth pancake. So Gurucha ask, why extra gold not equal extra grin? Why are freezer stuffed with steak, but spirit still hungry? Stay by flame. Gurucha show you secret of brain that tricks you, and how to hunt real joy. If you leave now, you keep chasing bigger meat pile forever. Tired legs, empty heart. Sit, no blink. Wisdom escape quick. The American hustle trap. Fire friend, now we talk danger. Not saber-tooth danger, worse. Modern hustle beast. Look around your big tribe called America. You work and work like buffalo on caffeine. Longest hours of any rich tribe. Gurucha peek at your scroll of numbers. Federal Reserve say tribe income climb like mountain since the days of black and white mammoth TV. Double, triple. But Gallup wise men ask, you happy? Answer stay flat like dry deer skin. Why? Because you run endless hunt. Office cave never close. Slack ding at midnight. DoorDash side quest after sunset. You chase more dollars like my ancestors chase mammoth herd across ice. Except mammoth stop, your chase never. See this? Shiny rectangle keeps you tied to boss, even when moon high. Gurucha seen many warriors upgrade from rusty Corolla to shiny Tesla. Big brag at village feast. But inside, heart still tired, smile still small. Imagine neighbor friend, you know the one, working 2 jobs, counting vacation days like rare berries. He buy bigger house, fancier fridge, yet every night whisper, I'm so tired. That, fire friend, is the American hustle trap. If you ignore this trap, you waste life on a treadmill of glowing screens. No time for tribe, no time for real fire. You burn daylight for paper you never enjoy. This not silly campfire story. This is warning. Keep chasing endless meat and you wake old, knees sore, wondering where joy hide. Stay? Next, Gurucha show how your own clever brain moves the happiness goalpost. Trickster inside skull sneakier than any wolf. Don't run. Next truth hotter than fire. The brain's moving goalposts. Fire friend, now we hunt the trickster that lives inside your own skull. This sneaky beast make you chase more meat, more gold, more shiny toys, yet never let you feel full. First trick, hedonic adaptation. Big words, simple trap. You win lottery, buy boat, eat steak every sunrise. For few moons, heart dance. Then, whoosh, brain say, normal now. Same smile you had before. Psych wise humans at University of California watch many lucky hunters. After a year, their happiness drop back like stone and river. Second trick, social comparison. Your brain not count meat pile, only neighbor's pile. You get shiny raise, happy for 1 week. Then coworker brag about bigger bonus. Suddenly your gold taste like dry bark. You know this pain. First sip of pumpkin spice latte, heaven. 20th sip, just warm milk. New iPhone sparkle first day. By second moon you scroll it while dreaming of next one. Gurucha laugh, but truth bite. Even mighty elder with biggest cave fall into this. Tribe always moving the goalpost. Long ago, my people think 1 mammoth enough. Then neighbor catch 2 mammoth. Boom, everyone chase 3. Your clever brain whisper, more will fix feeling. But more is mirage. Study after study, from Princeton gold mine wizards to Gallup number gatherers, show same path. Big gain, quick thrill, quick fade. So you work late, buy truck with seats that heat your behind, and wonder why joy still hide. Not your fault, this wiring older than fire. Back when survival meant constant hunt, brain reward chase, not arrival. But listen, fire friend, knowing trick is first spear to slay it. Next, Gurucha reveal where money does by true warmth. How to use gold to make heart bigger, not just pile higher. Stay close. Real treasure ahead, where money does by happiness. Fire friend, now come the big spark, the part where shiny paper can feed real joy if you wield it like wise hunter. Gurucha not say gold useless. Gold powerful when used with brain, not ego. First, fill the basic fire pit. Enough meat, roof tight from rain, doctor for when bones creak, free time to watch moon. Clever humans at Princeton, Kahneman and Deaton, count many tribes and find magic number. About 75,000 of your American dollars a year. Today, maybe closer to 100,000. Up to that point, each extra coin warms heart. Past it, heat fate, but trick is how you burn the coins. Spend on freedom and moments, not endless stuff. Take family on road trip across wide red canyons. Buy an afternoon off to walk dog under autumn leaves. Those memories stay long after leather seat smell vanish. Next, give some gold away. Harvard tried run experiments. When humans buy gift for others or feed hungry neighbors, happiness rise higher than buying new shoes. Gurucha knows this. Sharing mammoth feast always made tribes sing loudest and chase experiences, not trophies. Big wedding, small cabin getaway, backyard music night. These carve deep stories in memory. Science showed dopamine spark lasts longer when you create moments instead of stacking objects. So yes, gather enough coins to sleep safe and choose your time. Use extra for connection, learning, giving. That's where gold turns to fire and heart. You no need mountain of meat. You need moments that live after meat gone. Soon, we end this night talk with last wisdom, how to name your own enough. So chase stops and life begins. Stay with Gurucha for final truth. Warm like sunrise after long hunt. Redefining the good life. Fire friend, we sit at the quiet end of night. Sparks drift upward like tiny stars. You hear truth now. More meat, more gold, more shiny screens do not keep smile growing. So what to do? First, name your enough. Every hunter must know when belly full. Maybe for you it's steady roof, safe town, money to cover doctor, and a weekend free. Write that number. Guard it like sacred stone. When you reach it, you hunt only for meaning, not for endless pile. Second, count time as treasure. Gold you can earn again. Sunrise with your kid, talk with elder, walk in autumn wind, those vanish if ignored. Trade some overtime for moments that feed spirit. Third, build tribe, not tower. Humans wired for campfire connection. Invite neighbors, share food, laugh loud. Science shows strong friendships add years to life, more than fancy vitamins or bigger couch. Fourth, give like river. Share coin or skill where it matters. Food bank, local school, friend in storm. Study after study show givers feel richer than keepers. Gurucha know, the song of shared mammoth meet echo longest. You see, real wealth is freedom plus purpose plus love. Money only tool to carve that shape. Beyond basics, each extra dollar should buy back time, deepen bond, or help another heart. Anything else is just heavy backpack on long trail. So, fire friend, chase smart, hunt enough, then live. Your worth not in meat count. Your joy lives in how you spend moments. Now go, light your own fire, share it, and remember, pile of gold never bigger than tribe of love. End of story, but start of your real haunt.